practitioners, spanned across 3 to 6 months. The first 200 hours concentrates on Java J2EE technology training with focus on extensive hands-on sessions and learning from multiple sources to set the platform. The student spends the remaining 200 hours in executing a project in exactly the same way a project is executed in the industry, following detailed engineering plans that incorporate best practices in technology and execution excellence, gathering some domain knowledge in the process. The course expects students to work hard over the duration, and hence we have entry selection criteria to ensure that the student has the necessary commitment and basic aptitude to be successful. A detailed continuous evaluation system would lead to a graduation criteria at the end of the course. On successful completion, the student will be stamped industry ready with a 6 months experience certificate to be productive from day one. The curriculum has two main phases: initial 200 hours of training phase and an additional 200 hours of project execution phase. Training phase is broadly divided into 3 parts with particular emphasis on innovative learning techniques through videos, learning by osmosis, seminars, researching and presenting specific topics, etc. The first part concentrates on core Java with object-oriented programming concepts, where the Java language features will be dealt with. Additionally, the students will be familiarized with the Gang of 4 design patterns. The second part will help the students get the necessary grinding in web technologies, and the third part will focus on enterprise technologies with exposure to frameworks like Struts and Spring. Soft skills training is built into the course to help students improve and strengthen their spoken and written communication, team player characteristics, investigation skills, learning from multiple sources, etc. The project execution phase will introduce the students to best practices in project management and engineering practices, apart from technology best practices like patterns to use, specific implementation choices, and the like. Most or all projects will have a disruptive technologies flavor to familiarize the students with cloud, mobility, or social computing concepts. Domain understanding will be a necessary learning in this phase. While we do all this, our continuous evaluation criteria will record the student's progress, and the same will be shared with the student to help with his awareness and thereby improvement, his or her college if the student is still studying, and finally with potential employers to help them make an informed choice based on the student's performance over the extended period to augment their specific selection criteria.